I'm back with some Marvel Collect. There's a couple new things in the store. One of them has Morbius, so I'm going to open those. Morbius right now is trending really big, so I'm going to try and hopefully get one of those. And like I always do, I'm hitting the free stuff first. Valkyrie, Iron Man, Hope Summers, Moon Knight, Colossus, Wolverine, and a couple spins. Primal. Next is Spider-Woman. And last is Iron Lad. Huh. Alright, again, those were the free stuff. So this was in here yesterday if you go to the store. Vintage. 2,500, 1 in 15, and 1 in 75. I'm probably gonna be honest with you guys. More than likely, I won't get anything, but at least want to give it a shot. Nightmare, Man Thing, Iron Fist, Valkyrie, Red Skull, Nova, and Morbius. Mockingbird, Ghost Spider. This is pretty cool. I actually probably would prefer this over Morbius. But it's cool to have a Morbius because it's trending right now. That was 1 in 15, 1 in 75, same thing. Has a little bit more color to it. Looks a little bit more. Oh well, actually looks a lot better compared to the blue. Blue looks kind of pale in a way. I think it looks better the vintage one. So 2,500. I'm gonna go for 20. That'll bring me down to 450. At least, hopefully, try and get one. Kang, Cable, America Chavez. Actually, while I'm doing, I'm going to try and screenshot it. Hopefully, I don't mess this up. And Spider-Woman. Psylocke and Blade. Nova, Quicksilver, Black Cat. Like I said, it's gonna be tough. You only get 3 cards. Jean Grey, Star-Lord. I almost said Lord Star. I think Juggernaut might have been the last one. And Black Bolt, Cloak, Star-Lord. Elektra, Spider-Woman, Wolverine. Captain America, Wasp, Magic. Iceman, Magneto, Dr. Octopus. And like I mentioned, it's going to be amazingly tough to try and get one of these sets. Captain America, Thor, and Falcon. So I think 75 will be the halfway mark. Psylocke, Hellcat, Thor. And that was probably number 25. I mean number 10. Medusa, Quicksilver, Star-Lord. So that was 10. So another 10 I'll be that'll be 20 packs. Professor X, Magneto, Black Bolt. Jubilee, and we do get a hit, so that's pretty cool. Ghost Spider, wow, that's amazing. Definitely the one that I'm looking for. Pretty sweet. Ghost Spider, Blade. Wasp, Hulk, Black Panther, Blade, Jessica Jones, Daredevil, Spider-Woman, Spider-Man, Cable, Fing Fang Foom. You know why? Because it's pretty much like a little bit after lunch, or actually a little bit way past lunch. Miles Morales, Psylocke, Black Cat, and we're about maybe 3. I'd love to get a super rare Storm, Miles Morales, Sentry, Jean Grey, Blade, Groot, Ant-Man. Oh good, we're getting a second one. Iron Fist, and a Falcon. Cool. That's hit number 2 right on the dot. So I'm gonna do another 5. Like I said, if I feel like it's doing well, I'm gonna keep going. Sometimes I hit like 20 cards and don't even get anything. I order like 25 cards and I don't even get anything. Psylocke, Professor X, Dr. Octopus, 22. Groot, Quicksilver, Scarlet Witch, 23. Valkyrie, Vision, Drax, 24. Iron Man, Spider-Man, Hope Summers, 25. Colossus, Magic, Psylocke. Love to get a super rare. Spider-Man, Marvel, Thanos, Ms. Marvel, 27. Doctor Strange, War Machine, Hulk, 28. Captain America, Rocket, Spider-Woman, 29. Iron Fist, Blade, Dagger, and 30. Daredevil, America Chavez, and Drax. Let's do one last one. And that's pretty much it. Captain America, Widow, Black Widow, and Black Panther. So that is 30 packs. I think Ms. Marvel is one that I want to do. Nothing else is really new. I wish they had a certain time when they release stuff, because I feel like sometimes it's either like early in the morning, a little bit in the afternoon, and there's not too many new stuff that comes in the shop. What do I have in Fusion? I probably won't even touch it. I could do a Medusa if I wanted to. Another Medusa. There's something in here I can claim. Oh, this one. Purple Fusion. Why not? Thanos. Nice. I'm actually getting really lucky. Maybe I should do like another, because those are all the cards that I love. Maybe I'll do another like 5. Let's see. I feel like I'm getting really lucky today for some reason. 32. Red Skull, Cyclops, Moon Knight, 33. Black Cat, Ant-Man, Doctor Strange, 34. Nice. Oh, Morbius, how crazy is that? Nice. Actually, while I'm in here too, I'm gonna screenshot it afterwards. Morbius, Falcon, Black Bolt, 34, I think. Jean Grey, War Machine, Ant-Man, 35. Vision, Jessica Jones, Iron Man, and one last one for good luck. Oh, She-Hulk, Havoc, Juggernaut. Alright, so I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. 3 rares. Pretty much 2 of the ones that I wanted. A Morbius, a Ghost Spider, and an Iron Fist. Maybe when I do the event, get some more coins or claim some more coins, I'll come back. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Because right now I have only one, so I have to claim. I should be around here somewhere. If I can get 11, collect 30 daily. Oh wait, no, never mind. Yeah, I hopefully should be around here about. So maybe I'll look to do that next. I'll see you guys later.